SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off sound recognition on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. There's a feature on your iPhone called sound recognition where the device can listen for certain sounds and then alert you when it hears one of those sounds. But if you're getting too many notifications because of this, or if it's not been working for you properly, then you can turn off sound recognition by opening the settings menu. You can then scroll down and select the accessibility option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again and choose sound recognition in the hearing section. Now if you just want to stop one sound from being recognized, then you could select the sounds option and then go through this list here and toggle off which sounds you want your iPhone to listen to. Or if you would like to turn off sound recognition entirely, then you can tap the button to the right of sound recognition there to turn it off. Now if you're going to be switching off and on between sound recognition being enabled, then you may want to also add it to the control center so you can make this change a little more quickly. So if you just go back to the main settings menu, you can find the control center option here, and then you're just going to scroll down through the list of included controls. And if you have sound recognition in this top section, then you're all set. Otherwise, you just need to go down to the more control section, find the sound recognition option, and then tap the green plus to the left of it to add it to the control center. Now you can access the control center by swiping down from the top right of the screen, and then you're just looking for this button that looks like a wave symbol with a magnifying glass next to it. So if you tap this, then it's going to pause sound recognition, and then tapping it again is going to make sound recognition active. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.